Barbie, the science! I'm going to do the experiment snowstorm in a glass. Wow. First, I'm going to take the baby oil and put it into the jar. Sounds like it's breathing heavily. Next, we are going to mix this white paint with 1 cup of water. Now, I'm gonna stir it together until it's all mixed. Okay, now I'm going to pour this mixture of paint and water with the baby oil. Oh, cool. It's looking cool already. Right, guys? Alright, next, I'm gonna put in sparkles. It's already cool looking, right guys? Now, I don't usually do this, but I'm gonna try some sequins. See what happens. Okay, interesting. Next, I'm going to put 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet in. Then I'll wait and put another. Guys, it's starting to go up. Next, since I've been waiting, I'm going to put another. This time I'm going to crunch it up and break it. There. Do your thing. Whoa. You see the bubbles lifting up? It looks like a snow globe that was just shaped. That only it has pink, white, and silver snow with sequins at the bottom. Cool. I crunched up all the other Alka-Seltzers. And now I'm gonna put them in. Alky-Seltzy. The top looks hilarious. I think it's pretty interesting. What's your favorite part? You can also answer those questions in the comments below. I honestly think that it doesn't quite look like real snow, but it's still really cool to watch and look at. Right? If you would like to see other experiments, then subscribe to my channel.